Hello, in this video we are going to cover abstract contracts. So what is an abstract contract? We know what contracts are. So an abstract contract is essentially a contract that you can't directly, you know, you create an instance of. And you might be thinking, what's the benefit of that? So let's just quickly whip up a contract, call it simple, and here we go. So if I put in function, I type in hello, for example, and maybe it has a constant return value, uint, ret val. Okay, so what's this saying? Didn't spell return right, returns. There we go. There it is now. Okay, so let's just return the value 6. Okay, that's pretty cool. We can create an instance of this contract, or we can actually just, do is simple, for example. We'll do that in a moment. But if we were to get rid of this, put a semicolon here, gets rid of the errors, but there's no implementation. So this is an abstract contract. So watch what happens if I try and click create. This contract does not implement all functions and thus cannot be created. And we know what it's referring to. This method hasn't been implemented. And obviously, if we were to undo it and click create, it works fine because all the methods are implemented. Again, you might be thinking, why would you do this? What's the purpose of this? Imagine if you're creating, a bunch of contracts and they're all, very similar. They all have common methods, but they have common methods, let's say, in terms of name and, let's say, parameters, return values, that sort of stuff, but they don't actually do the same function, not exactly the same. And this allows you to create an abstract contract which the others can inherit from, and that can actually use these methods and override them and actually implement them themselves. So if I put is simple, so we're inheriting from simple. Click create simple, doesn't work, we know that. So click create on simple storage, doesn't work because it inherited all of this, mainly just this line, and it's not implemented. But if I were to do function hello returns you into ret val, there's an error. Forgot to put constant here. It's got to be exactly the same method. So now, if I were to put, let's say, in return 8, for example, that works a-okay. If I click create a simple, the simple contract hasn't been changed. This is still an abstract contract. If I go to simple storage, however, and click create, if we click hello, we get the value 8 because we've overridden it. And that is the benefit of abstract contracts. You could go a step further. As an extra task, I want you to actually do this. You could create another contract, for example. So I'm not going to fully do it because like I said, I want you to do it as an extra task. Call it simple 2. This could inherit from this simple contract, and this could actually implement the method, and then this could inherit from this method. And this, simple 2 could potentially do a bunch of other methods and a bunch of other, sort of processing as well. So that's it for abstract contracts in Solidity. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.